Hello everyone, welcome to Learn German. In this video series, you will come across a few situations with simple dialogues that you can also practice. Every day there will be a new topic, and today's topic is sich, verabschieden, how to say goodbye. Here are 3 dialogues, and each one also tells you if the situation is formal or informal. Listen to them and repeat. After that, it will be your turn to answer. Don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't. Let's begin.
Tschüss.
Ciao,
Tschüss.
ciao,
Tschüss. Mach's gut.
auf Wiedersehen,
Tschüss. Mach's gut.
auf Wiedersehen,
Tschüss. Machen Sie's gut.
auf Wiedersehen, bis zum nächsten Mal.
Tschüss. Machen Sie's gut.
Auf Wiedersehen, bis zum nächsten Mal.
And here are some other ways to say goodbye. Tschüss. Bis bald. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Bis dann. Now it's your turn. Jetzt bist du dran. Listen and respond. Your responses can be different and must not match the given one.
Tschüss. Tschüss. Mach's gut.
If you want, you can try it once again. Every day, there will be a different set of dialogues for you. See you tomorrow! To get access to extra material for this video and lots more, do become a member today or join us on Patreon for a free worksheet. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!